Alright, this is chapter 1 training. Oh, let's see here. We can get some. I'm not going to go through intro and everything. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Alright, apply. Click a statement on the left, then click the word or phrase on the right that completes or matches the statement. Numlock. Alright, this would be. Alright, would be this one. The blank is the long blow. That's the space bar. The asterisk and forward slash are examples of this type of key. Mathematical operator. You use a blank key in conjunction with other keys to issue a command. You can use the modifier. And the right arrow key is an example of type of key. Navigation. Oh, sorry. Navigation. Here we go. Apply complete. Apply. Determine which word or phrase on the right best corresponds. Determine which word or phrase on the right best corresponds to each statement on the left. Then click the statement and then click the corresponding word or phrase. Using the blank software, you can edit and print digital images. Let's see here. There we go. Graphics. You can perform numerical calculations enhanced with charts and tables using spreadsheets. Application software programs for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets are often called apps. Between use, businesses use blank programs to maintain records on thousands, even millions of customers and inventory items. Those are databases. You can create, edit, format, and print documents and letters with reports with word processing software. There we go. Apply. Click a description on the left, then click the item on the right that best matches the description. Creates a query based on your search criteria and stores data in a that it collects in a database. This one's fun. I think this one is a search phrase. Oops. Okay. Query creates a query based on your search criteria. Oh, web crawler. Nope. Well, creates a query based on your search criteria and stores. Okay, let's go down here. An automated program that uses hyperlinks to jump between web pages and collect data. The unethical practice of manipulating keywords to push a website to the top of a research list. That would be a keyword stuffing. There we go. Consists of multiple keywords. A word or symbol that identifies the relationship between keywords such as and, or not. Boolean operator. Okay, now we're narrowing it down. Consists of multiple keywords. Search phrase. There we go. An automated program that uses hyperlinks to jump between web pages and collect data. Search engine. Oops. Okay. There and there. Okay. That's how you work through some of these. You have to just basically start working through things. Click the sentence on the left and then click on the term on the right that completes the sentence. A blank is an audio file that's stored online that can be distributed via download. That would be a It's either an RSS feed or a podcast. There we go. Blank is a type of online conference when a presenter provides some type of instructional activity. Oh, that could be a webinar. There we go. A blank is a data format used to provide frequent updated web content delivered directly to your browser or email software. RSS feed. Yep. Blank allows people at two or more locations to meet electronically using a network. Okay, that's a web conference. Wait a minute, that's a video conference. There we go. And blank participants can use a chat window to send typed messages to each other. That's a web conference. There we go. Businesses participate in social networking to encourage blank to post messages with questions, comments, and ratings. Let's see here. Consumers. There we go. On a social network, you create an online form to create a virtual identity or blank, which includes information you choose to describe yourself. Profile. Flickr, Shutter, and Photobucket are photo sharing networks. A social network is a website that links people to form a community. And blank is an example of professional networking site where you keep in touch with business contacts. In blank, blog members post eyewitness accounts of events. Live blogging. With blank, you can buy and sell stocks and bonds without using a broker. Online investing. In blank online education, the instructor holds a class that students attend virtually and at the same time. Synchronous. Okay. When you use wireless mobile devices to make retail purchases, you are engaging in e-commerce or m-commerce. And blank, with on-demand media, you can view or listen to online content at any time rather than according to set schedules. Companies streamline production and perform tasks too dangerous or monotonous for human beings to use in manufacturing. Companies streamline production and perform tasks too dangerous or monotonous for human beings using computer-aided manufacturing. A company's computers monitor assembly lines and equipment with, let's see here, machine to machine. There we go. The computer network a business uses to let employees communicate with customers, vendors, and other employees is referred to as enterprise telecommute. Nope. Okay, it's probably going to be this one. Yep. Enterprise computing. The gap between people who can access digital information and those who cannot is called the digital divide. An arrangement that employees who need flexible work schedules use is called telecommuting. One way to refine a search term is to use word base or keywords. Nope. Okay. When preparing for a search, choose blank that makes the search item unique and specific. Keyword. To customize search results, you can change blank such as the number of results displayed per page. That will be preference. Search engines place the most relevant blank on the first few pages of the search results. Hits. Set up blank if you want to be notified when new online. Okay, Google Alerts. And one way to refine a search term is to use a word stem. Okay. The software that runs a computer is system software. The type of software you use most directly to perform tasks is a application software. The type of software that performs a specific limited task usually related to managing or maintaining a computer system are utility. Let's see here. A collection of major operating system updates. Service pack. The type of software that tells you copy, move. Okay. File manager software, and the type of software that performs a specific limited task, usually related to managing and maintaining a computer system. Alright. Alright. And that is the Chapter 1 training.